During these uncertain times, we all realize the importance of cleaning and disinfecting to keep us, our staff, and our customers safe. Health Canada, Alberta Health, and local health authorities have all told us what we need to do and how to do it. Clean and wash all high contact surfaces, then disinfect. Everybody is simply spraying the surfaces and wiping them off, and that's a great start. But what about proper disinfection? We think spraying disinfectant solution and wipe it off and we're done. And the truth is that is exactly what we are doing. We are wiping it off before it can properly disinfect. All disinfectant solutions require what is called dwell time, and that's the time the solution must remain wet to properly kill the virus. At Macon Hazmat Solutions, we realize you are doing the cleaning step. Now let us complete the disinfection step. Utilizing health-approved disinfectant and state-of-the-art deployment technique, we will come to your location and utilize static spray guns and ULV fogging equipment to deploy disinfectant in and around your working and customer areas. We then leave the disinfectant solution to dry naturally to achieve the proper dwell time that will kill any virus. Our solution leaves no residue behind and is safe for contact areas, including your electronics. So let the team at Macon Hazmat Solutions disinfect your space in a safe and professional manner. Macon Hazmat, making your environment cleaner and safer.